So the Newpark Quality Lab is focused on ensuring that all the products that we purchase meet our requirements. And so again, it's ensuring that we are sourcing products that are going to meet our customers' expectations, are going to meet the performance expectations. So there's a lot of parameter specifications that are put into place around the product, around the supplier. So the Quality Lab works together with supply chain to begin finding what that product is. And then we bring it into the lab and we run the product specifications to it and use that data to begin kind of building like what is the quality of who we're currently buying from. Like, do we see a lot of variability? Do we see some outliers? And so it's like the Quality Lab has a really great communication with our suppliers as well, because we're monitoring that data over time and we're working with them to minimize the variation, because that increases quality, because the variation in some cases is seen by our suppliers. And we're talking things about as simple as like a change in the color of a product impacts like perception on quality. So it's all these little details that the quality department is kind of focused on, and communicating with supply chain, communicating with the supplier on reducing those variations. So, when you think of a quality lab, you're like, okay, they're just, getting a sample in, they're running the product specifications, and again, just checking a box, everything looks great. But we take it another level by actually like analyzing that data, doing statistical analysis, having meetings with the technical teams of the suppliers to kind of talk about that data and reduce variability, improve quality, talk about efficiency, because in quality it's all about continuous improvement. So yeah, we're happy with the current state, but what can we do better? And it's one of those things that like, I don't know if every quality lab does this or every company does this, but the people working in the lab managers are in direct communication with supply chain and the suppliers to really be involved and make those changes happen. So it is nice to see that our people are just not isolated to like the work in the lab. They're communicating and really pushing their ideas firsthand with those that are going to make the change. So.